Hi, I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some exterior and interior features of the 2021 Jay Flight SLX 294 QB. So let's go over some of the exterior features. New for 2021, you'll have a power tongue jack. Also new is the optional more ride steps. We have a nice large awning and a big assist handle. So at the rear of the unit, you'll see a really nice outdoor kitchen, a 2-burner stove, the refrigerator. New for 2021, you'll also have the nice exterior ladder. Some of the interior features include a place to hang your coat, a nice bench, put kids' toys or your shoes, TV, and stereo. And in this area, we have extra sleeping area, new wallboard for 2021 for Jayco, your nice U-shaped dinette with nice cabinet doors for storage. And in our kitchen area, we have a double sink, an RV stove with a glass top, microwave, and refrigerator. And in the kids area, you'll have 2 twin beds, 2 single beds, and also some really nice storage. In the master bedroom, new for 2021 is this really nice pocket door. Comes with a nice queen size bed, an open shelf, and 2 storage cabinets. Thank you for watching our tour. For more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.